raining outside my window. City lights are breaking down. Every drop keeps falling slower, like it's trying to hear me now. Coffee's cold, the room is quiet. Your shadow's still on my wall. I say I'm fine, but I keep lying. Every night I feel you more. I don't call, I don't explain. I just listen to the rain. It's saying everything I couldn't say. The rain knows my name tonight. Every tear I try to hide. I don't have to be okay when the sky feels the same. I let the silence break my pride. Let the hurt fall from my eyes. If I'm lonely, that's alright. The rain knows my name tonight.